Hello cello players, this is a tutorial on the song Happy Birthday. So, we're going to start on open D and echo a chunk at a time. Listen first. D, D, E, D, try that, go. Then we're going to add a G, F sharp at the end. Listen first. D, D, E, D, G, F sharp, ready, play. Try it again. 1, 2, 3, ready, play. One more time. Good. Next part is this. D, D, F sharp. Sorry. D, D, E, D, A, G, go. Try that again. One more time. Awesome. Let's go from the beginning all the way to there. D, D, get ready. Here we go now. Let's put those parts together one more time for good luck. 1, 2, 3, D, go. Next part is this. D, 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 B, G, G, F sharp, E. So let's find open D and then high D. Listen first. D, 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 B, ready, play. Try it again. 2, 3, ready, play. Good. Next part. G, G, F sharp, E, ready, play. Again, go. Okay, let's try from here. D, 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 B, G, G, ready, play. Try it again. Ready, fine. 4 fingers D. 1, 2, 3, open D. Then our next note is C natural, so remember a low two fingers. And it's gonna sound like this. C, C, B, G, A, G. So set low 2, C natural. Ready? C, C, B, G. Try that, go. Try it again. C, C, B, G. Ready, play. And we're gonna add an A, G. Okay, let's try from here. C, C, B, ready, here we go now. Try it again. 1, 2, 3, C, go. One more time. Alright, let's try from the beginning and we can dedicate this song to a pet or a friend or a great-grandparent. Here we go. D, D, get ready to play now. Awesome. Thanks for watching.